Yeah, it's about time, man. This is called family time. You guys know how to do it. Every 8 p.m., you understand? Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 3 times in a week. Every 8 p.m. is our time, is our family time, you get. So, this particular channel, this particular what's happening, man. I don't want any network to disturb me this particular period. You understand? Because this is my family time. So this time around is for you guys and you guys alone. Either you're watching live or you're watching after the live stream. Just tell me what exactly you want me to talk about. And my next video will be that particular thing exactly. You're highly welcome. I see you, my brother. You're highly welcome. Clyde, I see you, I see you, I see you, I see you. You're highly welcome. So this is family time, this is family time, this is family time, this is family time. And we are going to do a weekly top-down analysis, just as you see the topic, weekly top-down analysis with Benv. You understand? That's exactly what I'm going to do. And everything is set. You understand? Then again, I'm not going to ignore any of your questions. Just drop your question and I'll respond to it. Drop your favorite pair and drop whatever you want me to talk about this particular festive season. You understand? How you're supposed to go about planning your 2026, anything at all you want me to talk about, just drop it on the comment section while I'm going to share my screen and do a top-down analysis. First of all, on our three favorite pairs, just as you guys know, XAUSD, GBPUSD, and Euro USD. Those are the three favorite pair. Levega FX, you're highly welcome, my brother. I see you. I see you. Good night, Benv. How are you doing? I'm doing great, bro. I'm doing great. How are you doing too? So it's family time. You guys are my family, my lovely people. I love you guys. Oh yeah, let's dive into today's topic fully. You understand? Today's topic fully. Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. No time, no time. There's no time, man. There's no time. There's no time. There's no time. So yeah, let's do it. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. I'll be expecting your questions on the comment section. You understand? One after the other. You understand? One after the other. One after the other. XAUUSD. All right. Let's start with XAUUSD. Just as Clyde said, man. Let's start with XAUUSD. Let's start with XAUUSD. Yeah. Let me share my screen real quick. GPUSD next. All right. All right. All right. All right. GPUSD will be next. You understand? But while I'll be doing the analysis, I'll be telling you guys exactly what you'll be expecting because the market these days is just like up and down, up and down, up and down. I'll be telling you guys what you should be expecting. You understand? Because I'm going to do a thorough analysis. You understand? Thoroughly analysis. Custom car air freshener made for your vehicle uploaded any image, choose, send, and wait. Oh my goodness, you have bring your advertiser to this particular, but no problem. You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. Neurotech car freshener. You're highly welcome. Everybody here are highly welcome. You guys are just like my family. You understand? If you are coming across this particular channel for the first time, this is where we'll share our mind with ourselves. You understand? You understand? You get. So I do a top-down analysis, weekly top-down analysis on any pair you bring. You understand? So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so that the channel will grow. You understand? Real quick, you get. So I'll be very appreciated. So let's dive into the main topic. The first pair that we are going to analyze, the first analysis we are going to do is on XAUSD. XAUSD is not currency pair, it's a commodity. So, but how are we going to call it? Let's call it pair so that all of us will understand, man. Let's call it pair. It's not a currency pair, but a commodity. But regardless, let's call it pair, man. Let's call it pair. Let's call it pair. Let's call it pair. Yo, this on our screen here. This is GPUSD, but GPUSD is not the first pair that we are going to analyze. We're going to analyze XAUSD, and this is XAUSD on our screen here, man. This is XAUSD on our screen, and this is 15-minute time frame. You understand? So on a weekly top-down analysis like this, how do we do it? we'll go to the higher time frame to like know exactly the direction of the market before we do anything. You get? Before we do anything, we'll go to the higher time frame, weekly time frame, to see how last week candlestick close, and to see how last Friday close, and then we'll predict the direction of the market for this particular new week. That's how we'll do it. So please, before you go, before you do anything, please help me like the video. Please help me like the video. And if it's easy for you to share it, if you can be able to share it, please share it to your WhatsApp status. I'll be very glad, man. I'll be very glad. Share it now to your WhatsApp status so that other people will join from your WhatsApp status. Then the community will be big. Please, I would love that. Please. So on our screen here, just as I said, is XAUSD. I'll still say the same thing when people troop in, because it's both short and long video that is showing, you understand? So I'll still say the same thing that I just said, you understand? When people troop in again, you get? So don't be surprised if I say that same thing. You get? So let me go to the analysis. This is 15-minute time frame, and you guys know we don't do our top down analysis from the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame is my own personal execution time frame. Understand? But when we are doing a weekly top down analysis, we go to the weekly time frame. Let's see how last week candlestick close. You understand? So let's see how last week candlestick close. First of all, I'm going to like clear all the drawings from the chart so that we'll see it very clear. You understand? Exactly what exactly are you seeing on the weekly time frame? The market come to this particular area, you understand? And as the market come to this particular area, what moved the market from here, nobody knows, because this is weekly time frame. But if we go down to one daily time frame, you are going to see the minor support level that moved the market from this particular area to the upside. You understand? Let me see. If we go down to like daily time frame, you are going to see what moved the market from this particular area. You understand? Let me mark it out. From this particular area to the upside, you are going to see it when we go to the daily time frame. You understand? But on the weekly time frame, there is no any major support level that's supposed to move the market from here all the way to this particular area. You understand? And the market is trying to like make a double top here. You get? Make a double top. So let's break it down. You understand? So first of all, let me show you what moved the market from this particular area to the upside on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this is exactly what moved the market. You understand? I always tell you guys that whenever you see this type of minor candlestick, like this particular pin bar indecision candlestick on a daily time frame or 1 or 4 hour time frame, just know that the market have a strong consolidation around that particular area. And this particular indecision candle is not just one, it's two. This is one blue candle that is indecision. This is another red candle that is indecision before the market break it to the upside. And immediately the market tap on this particular area, this particular support level, the market move all the way to this particular area. You understand? Where exactly the market is now is trying to make a double top with this particular previous high, the last time all-time high. You understand? Because this particular high is the all-time high on gold. You understand? And the market is approaching it now. Nobody know when, like, either the market is going to break this particular all-time high and maybe retest 1,500 before the market will retrace to the downside, or the market will just make a double top and break to the downside. Nobody know exactly what the market is doing. See, we'll break it to the lower time frame, then we'll see the momentum of the market. You understand? But we'll see the momentum of the market from the weekly time frame first. I don't know if you guys are getting me. Please, I don't want to be teaching them. Maybe 1 or 2 people are not understanding. What's up, bro? Yeah, you're highly welcome. I see you, my brother. Libra FX. I see you. You're highly welcome. I see you. So please, if you are following the analysis, let me know on the comment section. Just write understood if you are following the analysis. How I show how the market form on the weekly time frame, what moved the market from that particular area to the next resistance level on the daily time frame. If you understand it, just let me know. Just write understood, because as the market come to that particular area on the weekly time frame, there's no any support level that's supposed to move the market from that particular area to the upside. All right, means you understand. How can I rate December price action so far? December price action so far, they like just say 30/100. You understand? 30/100. But I need to make a video concerning my strategy, because that strategy had it been I need to make a video concerning my strategy. You understand? My strategy, if like from wow, yeah, 30/100, that is how you can rate December price action so far. Because there is no like respect to any particular this thing structure. No, the market just do exactly what it wants, except if you know exactly how to manage or you target it very very well. Ezekiel, I see you, my brother. You are highly welcome. You understand? This particular week, that this past week, I will say you rate December price action 30/100. I don't know how you see it. Nasdaq, all right, I'm going to like Nasdaq was clean. Okay, so that's very good. That's very good. But I don't trade Nasdaq. You understand? That's the only thing. I don't trade Nasdaq. I do not trade Nasdaq. I trade only GPUSD, EURUSD, and XAUSD. So if you okay, Clyde, you say you understand what I'm teaching. You understand? You means that's very great. But okay, you say Nasdaq was clean, but I took loss on Monday and Thursday. You understand? You even try, my brother, you try. Libra FX, you try, because this particular week, me like this is the 18th week straight. Last week is the 18th week straight that are supposed to end in profit. But you know how I take escape it? Narrowly escape. You understand? Because first trade that I took last week, it's SL. You understand? Monday trade, Tuesday trade, consolidate till Wednesday. Wednesday trade is a scalp, which I not get anything meaningful from that particular scalping. Then Thursday trade hit me out. I be minor profit. Then the only trade that make me escape this particular last week, that make me end last week like minor profit with small profit. That is the smallest profit I've ever get since I started this particular journey. You understand? In a week, just small profits that took me out of drawdown. You understand? There is that one trade like this take me out of drawdown, so I end the week in profit. And I think I document everything, except if you have not watched that particular video. I show everything one after the other until I show the total. Like I break it down to pieces. You understand? For everybody to see that yes, the week is profit, means 18th week straight in profit. If I could be able to end this particular week in profit, then the next week in profit means 20 weeks straight in profit. You understand? So my brother, you are really really trying. If you trade 5 times in a week and 2 is loss, means you really really try. So what exactly I was saying, we are doing analysis on XAUSD, and this is it here. You understand? For we to know the reason why the market moved from this particular area to the next resistance level, and the market is a little bit like the market is slightly approaching the resistance level, but not yet. It has not make the clean double top yet. So let's go down to daily time frame. Let's see how daily time frame is doing. You understand? Since you guys have understand, the real person that asked for the question, that asked the question, have understand how I'm analyzing it. So let's go down to daily time frame. Let me put, I don't normally use trend line, but let me put trend line to this particular trade and see how far. Okay, trend line is not that bad on this particular trade, but what exactly I'm seeing is like the market will like make a double top. You understand? When the market make a double top, this particular festive season, nobody can tell. That is just the thing. You understand? Nobody can tell, but we can predict it. You understand? Regardless. So if I predict how the market will like work played out, then you have to like use your own technical analysis and follow the market the way it should be. Because if not because of even strategy alone sef will not save you this particular period, because the way market is behaving is like, is as if another thing happen. You understand? You see your setup like this, but the setup will not play out the way it's used to play out. But me, I choose to trade this particular festive season to see how the market behave. You understand? Because anytime, every time I would like to dodge this particular festive season, every time I would like to dodge this particular festive season, why not trading the festive season so that you know exactly how the market behaves, so that next time you know how to approach it. You understand? That's the reason why I say I'm not going to take any time off. I'm going to trade it, either I end it in loss or profit. I'm going to trade it regardless. So on a daily time frame, what exactly are you seeing? The market is still taking a move, you understand, to the upside, and we have not seen any bearish candle yet. You understand? But we are seeing a long wick. Whenever you are seeing a long wick, that doesn't mean that the market is like have changed its direction, but there is a low momentum. You understand? There is a low buy momentum. You understand? That's the reason why you are seeing this particular long wick. But the buyers can still push it all the way to this particular resistance level before we see another push to the downside. As the buyers have taken it all the way to this particular area, before we are seeing this low momentum, they can be able to like take it to the downside. You understand? This is exactly what you should be expecting. And if anything happen and you see a breakout of this particular area, you understand? Let me just say, oh, let me delete this first. If anything happen and you see a breakout of this particular resistance level, you understand, then you just expect a retest, then target the next, means the market is going to create another all-time high. You understand? But buyers are losing momentum now like this. But before we say that, we go to 4-hour time frame. Let's see what 4-hour time frame is saying. But on the daily time frame, just know that buyers are losing momentum. And how do I know that buyers are losing momentum? Because of this particular long wick that the market creates on the daily time frame. You understand? If you look at the candlestick very closely, you see that the market creates a long wick on this particular candlestick as it's approaching this particular resistance level. So the market might like try reach this particular resistance level and break to the downside, or it will gather momentum and break above this particular resistance level to the upside. Just get me right. I don't know if you guys are following me. Like, if you understand exactly what I'm saying, please let me see a reaction from you on the comment section, please. Let me see a reaction. Let me see a reaction. Let me see a reaction. Let me see a reaction on the comment section. Yeah, you are correct. That's very great, my bro. You have checked. Have you checked news? Not yet, not yet. We'll still come on live video tomorrow. You understand, by 8 p.m. Okay, that's very great, my brother. Means you are following. That's very great. We'll still come on live video tomorrow, you understand, to like do, to see how Monday trade close, you understand. So we'll come on live video by 8 p.m. tomorrow to see how Monday trade close. So yeah, by then we'll like consider checking this thing, how is it called, news and the rest. So please, as you come to this particular live video, before you go, please help me click that like button and smash that subscribe button. Please help me do that. Help me do that. Help me do that. After, like, sometimes if I finish analysis, finish live stream like this, I'll see 2 like, 3 like and the rest, of which people that will turn up will more than, sometimes people will pump in and they'll pump out. But I understand how that one happen, how that particular one happen, because the chat is coming, like the live stream is coming two faces, one for short and one for long. You understand? Those that is coming for short are very very much, and those that's coming for long video are like small. So please, before you go, before you even try to go, please smash that like button for me if you really want to help, please. So that's it. So we'll go to smaller time frame, like 4-hour time frame, so that we'll mark a support and a resistance level on the 4-hour time frame. You understand? We'll go to 4-hour time frame. Let's mark a support and a resistance level out on the 4-hour time frame. So before then, let me clean all this particular drawing. Then I'll go to 4 hour time frame. Okay, on the 4 hour time frame, what exactly are you seeing? The market is trending from this particular area. You understand? Trending up, trending up, trending up. Break above this particular resistance level. You understand? This is the resistance level that the market break above. The market break above this particular resistance level. Now the market have retest this particular resistance level with a long, like a spike to the downside. You understand? That's the reason why we'll see that a long week on that particular daily time frame. You understand? So the market retest this particular support level. So what exactly are you expecting from this particular support level? But the double thought here is that the market close engulf, you understand, it engulf this particular area, but I understand what this particular candlestick do. This candlestick, the reason why you see this particular spike to the downside on gold, don't forget that gold always like to like stop people out, look for liquidity before it move. That's the reason why you see that gold move very very fast. You get gold move very very fast because because of its spike and clear liquidity. So whenever any particular pair that clear liquidity move very fast, you see gold and you see GBP USD, they move fast because they like clearing liquidity. But the most, like the one that clear liquidity the most is XAU which is good. So I understand what gold do around this particular area. Do you see that as the market break above this particular resistance level, a lot of people will enter for a buy from this particular consolidation? You understand? And if people enter from this particular consideration, where do you expect that they'll put their stop loss? They'll put their stop loss below this particular bullish candle. You understand? And what do you see that the market do? This is just a secret too. What do you see that the market do below this particular bullish candle? The market come below it. You understand? This is a support level. The market come below this particular support level and spike to the upside, then creating a bullish candle. You understand? I don't know if you guys are getting what the market do around this particular area. So the market spike to the downside with this particular candlestick is to clear liquidity, because if you enter, let me just tell you, even though like what the market do, even if you put your trade on break even, or you leave your SL below that particular consideration, the market come down and break everything, like take everything out, you understand, and move up immediately. You understand? You know, a lot of people, as they see this particular move to the upside, they would like to put their trade on break even. You understand? Around this particular area, even if you put it on break even or you leave your stop loss below this particular candlestick, the market have cleared everything out. You understand? Except people that like to secure profit like me, because I cannot watch my charts go all this, but watch my trade go all this, like go all this far, then I will not take partial profit before I put my trade on break even. I'll take partial profit, secure some profit, then secure my capital. That's just exactly what I always do. That makes me end almost every week in profit. You understand? So the market spiked to the downside and clear liquidity. You understand? And immediately e clear liquidity, let's go to daily time frame so that you guys will see. Immediately e clear liquidity, let me see. So immediately e cleared liquidity under this particular support level. E give this particular bullish engulfing candle for you to know that what the market come down to do is not the right thing that it's supposed to do. You understand? The highest the market is supposed to do, if it wants to like retrace to the next support level, the support level should be at this particular area. You understand? The support level should be at this particular area. But what you see, the market spiked to the downside, cleared liquidity from this particular below this particular support level and move to the upside. You understand? Give this bullish engulfing candle on the 1 hour time frame. You understand? Sure, you understand how good move now. You understand? If you understand how good move, if you get exactly what I say, just like if you are understanding this particular analysis, just let me know real quick on the comment section. If you are understanding how good sweep liquidity, just let me know on the comment section real quick. Real quick. Then please and please, I'm still saying this. Please don't forget to like the video, please. Not all, bro. Not at all, bro. Means you don't understand how gold sweep liquidity. And this is the clean example of how gold clear liquidity. Let me just break it down for you again for you so that you understand it very, very clean and clear. You understand? I would like to like understand it for you so that you understand so that you get it clean and clear now at this particular period. Yeah. So this is it here. This is NFP is on Tuesday. NFP Tuesday care. That is it won't work, my brother. NFP Tuesday care. Ezekiel, please check well, check well, check well, check well. Check well. I never check any news, sha, but just still check well. So this is exactly what I'm saying. As the market break, see, this is a resistance level. I don't know if the chart is too small. Okay, yeah. I don't know if you are seeing it very clear now, but let me continue from here. This is a resistance level. As the market come to this particular resistance level, it go down, you understand, a bit to this minor support level. Immediately reach this minor support level. Let me be marking it out for you so that you understand it very clear now. Shey shey you see this particular support level that I mark? You see this particular support level, right? See the market give a bullish engulfing candle on a 1 hour time frame and it take all this move to the upside. So as the market is spiking to the downside, where exactly are you expecting the market to reach so that for the market to move to the upside? Isn't this particular support level, you will be expecting the market to retest this particular support level so that you take a buy to the upside. Since the market have break above this particular support level, resistance level, it will automatically turn into a support level, you understand? But what exactly do you see? The market spike, not even to like stop at this particular fair value gap that the market create. Let me mark the fair value gap out for you. Not even on this particular fair value gap that the market create. This is a fair value gap. You understand? The gap between this particular red candle and this particular blue candle is a fair value gap. So the market did not stop there. It break like with this particular long wick below this particular support level. And the market know, and the market makers, they know very, very well that everybody that will enter from this particular support level will put their stop loss below the support level. This particular thing, this particular spike to the downside, they call it a stop loss hunt. I don't know if you understand what stop loss hunt on the market, but they call it a stop loss hunt. You understand? That's how it works. So immediately the market stop people out. You understand? People who don't know how to put their trade on break even or take partial profit, they'll leave their stop loss at this particular below this particular support level, thinking the market to like go up and make a double top with that particular all-time high. You understand? So they'll leave it open. You understand? And the market have come down and stopped them out. You understand? If it's person like me, I would like to like take partial profit or put it on break even so that the worst that will happen is the market will hit my break even and fine and good. Then I will still look for another entry. And what exactly do you see immediately the market stop people out? The market stop people out with this particular long week and give another bullish engulfing candle. You understand? I don't know if you understand the manipulation on this particular area. You understand? See it very, very clear now. If a market break above a resistance level, you will be expecting the resistance level to turn a support level and the market to come and rest on that particular support level before it moves to the upside now. Understand? But see this particular week, and the week sef did not even close below the support level. It went like it not even close below the support level. It went to the main area that is supposed to reach before it should like turn to the upside before it's stop. I don't know if you are understanding me. So let me know if you get exactly what I'm saying now. Let me know if you see exactly what the market do on that particular area. I want you to understand it very, very clear. You understand? I want you to understand it very, very clear because you are the one that asked the question. And mind you, if any one of you still have a question, drop it on the comment section so that I'll still like emphasize on that so that I'll break that down, because everything I'm teaching you is what I have experienced, is an experience that I've gathered over the years from this particular market. You understand? That's the reason why I upload every, like, I almost try to upload everything I know on this particular channel, so that you guys will be like learning from inside gradually, gradually. You understand? See what I upload on this particular channel. I upload my analysis. I upload my trading journey. You understand? I upload every trade that I take. Even if I cannot be able to upload every trade that I take, at the end of the week I have to like break everything down for everybody to see the transparency. You understand? Then I still come on live video for everybody to ask a question so that I'll give an answer to that. You understand? So please and please, this channel is a channel for both beginner, intermediary, and a pro traders. You understand? So please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. That's the only help you can give to the channel, that I will be very, very appreciated. Let it not be as if my energy, my time, my effort is wasted. Please and please have mercy and subscribe to the channel. If you know you are getting value, but if you know you are not getting value, there's no need to subscribe. Please, there's no need to subscribe. If you will not be engaging on my video, please, there's no need to subscribe. But please like the video for me so that, yeah, it will go. Let me see. Please, for me, I don't know why I'm seeing the screen. I don't know why I'm. Please, for me, I don't know why I'm seeing the screen clear. It's like you're not seeing the screen very clear. So the video come in two forms. You understand? One come as a horizontal and one come as a vertical. So maybe you just log out of the this thing of the live, then look for the one, go under my this thing, look for the one that come as horizontal. You understand? By then, but like that one, you see it very, very clean and clear. You understand? If you are seeing it as horizontal, just go and look for the one that come. If you are seeing it vertical, like maybe just like a vertical on your phone, log out and search for the one that come as horizontal, like landscape. You understand? Look for the one that come as landscape, horizontal. You understand? It's come in two form. You understand? That's how YouTube allow it. It's come in two form, both vertical and horizontal. So look for the one that come as horizontal. That is landscape. You understand? You see it very, very clean and clear then. You get. So thank you. Thank you for your complaint. You understand? Thanks for your complaint. Thanks for your complaint. So this is it here. Clyde, I don't know if you understand the way I analyze it now like this. I don't know if you understand the way I analyze the chart. I don't know if you understand the way I analyze the chart. Because I have break it down to carry on, bro. Okay, means you understand, right? That's very great. So this is exactly how let me see. Down. All right, fire down. Okay, that's very great. That's very great. So that's exactly how. This is exactly how XAUSD manipulate their, like that. This is how manipulators manipulate XAUSD every blessed time. So if you are somebody who trade XAUSD, you need to like pay close attention to XAUSD, because there are much of manipulation, because they know a lot of people love trading XAUSD because it give faster profit and it's clear your eh, it give faster profit. You understand? And it give faster loss. That is just the two faces that it has. You understand? It give faster profit and it give faster loss. So a lot of people who know exactly what they are doing on the chart prefer XAUSD. And if you are just a beginner, please start with Euro USD. Euro USD is the beginner friendly pair that if you master Euro USD, you can trade any other pair like seamless, like easy. You understand? So if you are a beginner, I will advise you start with Euro USD. You understand? Euro USD is a beginner friendly pair that there is no much manipulation on that. But this particular period, you have to be very, very skillful. You have to like know exactly what you are doing on the charts this particular festive season. You understand? Then please don't trade with your main account this particular festive season. If you want to like test this particular festive season and see how it work, check my description and buy an account with Funded Nest, and you understand, trade with a proper account so that you experience how this particular festive season work. You understand? My recommended profile for anybody who wants to like trade with profile is Funded Nest, and the description of Funded Nest is on my or in is on any of my normal video. You understand? So check the description of any of my video and check Fundedness out. You understand? Because I think they are the best so far on this particular industry. You understand? So let's continue. Simple as that. Simple as you see it. This is how um XAUSD manipulates the market and grab liquidity. And this particular liquidity, this is the type of liquidity that move the market very fast and make people love it. You understand? Because once you get an entry on XAUSD, a little move will give you exactly what you want. You understand? So let's go to another pair because I've okay. What's the next thing that I'm supposed to do with this particular pair? I've analyzed it from weekly time frame, means the markets have not reached the all-time high that is targeting, or it has not like touched that particular double top. You understand? Means we are expecting the market to buy to the upside. You understand, from this particular support level this period, this week. Then again, the next thing is we have seen where the market move from on the daily time frame. You understand? Then we have seen the support and the resistance level on the 4 hour time frame. Let me still go back to that particular 4 hour time frame. Then we'll mark the support and resistance level very, very clean and clear, because that's 4 hour time frame is my favorite pet, like favorite this thing candlestick to mark a support and resistance level. Then where is the previous this where is the last support level? This is the last support level. You understand? This is the last support level that the market come and clear liquidity. Then where is the next resistance level? Let me show you guys the next resistance level. This is the next resistance level here. This is the next resistance level here. This is the next resistance level, of which the market have not reached the next resistance level, but it breaks to the downside to like clear liquidity. Then what we'll be expecting now is we'll like expect a move from this particular area. You understand? This week we will expect a move from here like this, then to this particular area. You understand? This double top here, the market will push to the upside. You understand? Because nobody know what exactly the market is going to do, but to predict it based on our own technical analysis. So which is the next pair that we are going to analyze? Tell me on the comment section. Tell me on the comment section. Let me even go to 1 hour time frame and enter this particular trade, man. You understand? Let me go to, in a short period of time the market is going to open, but please, if the market open, be very, very careful. You understand? Be very, very, very extremely careful. You understand? But because this particular period is not a period that anybody should rush. You understand? It's a period that we want to like test. Let's see how the markets move this particular festive season. Because I always dodge festive season. So I want to like experience it now. You understand? Let me see how it's work. Let me see how the market move during festive season. So this is my expectation this particular week. You understand? This is my expectation. As you can see, my SL is below this particular week, and as you can see, there is a bullish engulfing candle here. So I'm expecting the market to move all the way to this particular resistance level. 1 to 2 is what I'm targeting. So this is it here. So tell me the next pair that we'll analyze real quick. Tell me the next pair, tell me the next pair, tell me the next pair. I think now I can see where now. Oh, that's very great, my brother. That's very great. That's very great. Nasdaq. Okay, you say Nasdaq. Although Clyde say I should analyze GPUSD, but let me check down. I said it. Clyde say I should analyze GPUSD. So my brother, Golden, Golden. Let me just say Golden. Please don't be angry. Let me analyze GPUSD real quick so that I'll go down to Nasdaq real quick. Don't be angry. Just short minutes, man. Just short minutes. In the short period of time, let me analyze GPUSD because he made he mentioned that for how many, if like for long. Immediately as I start the live stream, that is what he mentioned. Understand? This is GPUSD on our screen here. This is GPUSD. This is GPUSD. This is like you guys will not believe this is the trade that take me out of weekly drawdown. You understand? This is the short move that take me out of weekly drawdown, and immediately I stop it out around this particular area. The market go down. You understand? To my SL, even go below my SL. That's the reason why I said your strategy alone this festive season is not enough. You have to be very skillful before you trade this particular festive season. If you see how I take get that entry on this particular place, you understand, you'll be very amazed, like you'll be shocked because I've not even care about my strategy. The market is like God just say go and pick this guy, you understand, go and pick this guy and go to his direction. Let him come out of this particular week profitably. That is exactly what really happened. Okay, immediately as the market, as I stop out of the, as I opt out my trade here, the market come down and give another bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame. Had it been I'll be somebody who is very greedy and want to like make a crazy amount of money that particular Friday, I'll say, the market have given my strategy again, let me enter, and it will just go a bit and spike to the downside and give me SL, maybe take exactly what it gave me back, understand. But I'm not that greedy, so you have to like remove greediness from your journey. If you really want to go far, you have to like, if you really want to go far this particular journey, you have to like remove greediness from your journey, you understand. So had it been like I'm a greedy somebody, you understand, this particular week, that last week that I earned in profit, for like, yeah, for not even end it in profit at all because the market for take it out, take all the profit back as this particular strategy played out, you understand. But I even immediately as I get that particular profit, I opt out. Like as I opt out, I make a screenshot and close my MT5 immediately. So I'm going to clear everything now from the chart and go to do a clean top-down analysis. And before you do your top-down analysis, which particular time frame did I told you guys that you should do your top-down analysis from? Let me know in the comment section which particular time frame do you supposed to be taking doing your top-down analysis from. Please let me know real quick so that we'll continue. Let me know. Please, I want to see a new subscriber today, man. I want to see a new subscriber today on this particular live. I want to see a new subscriber, please and please. Subscribing to the channel will not take anything from you. You understand? It's just for you to like show an appreciation or to just, yeah. So let me know the time frame that I always tell you guys to do your top-down analysis, to do your weekly top-down analysis from. You understand? Let me know if you have been following what exactly I've been teaching. And let me know the kind of time frame that I always say do your top-down analysis from this do your weekly top-down analysis on this particular time frame, do your top-down analysis from this particular time frame. Just let me know real quick. Let me know so that I'll dive into the analysis. Before I count of 10, let me just say before the next 10 seconds or next 1 minute, if I not get an answer, then I'll just dive into the analysis because there's something I'm seeing on this thing GPUSD now. You understand that I need to talk about it real quick, so that nobody will be a victim of it, man. So that nobody will be a victim of it. I need to be very fast. 1 hour supposed to be okay for me on this particular live stream. 1 hour supposed to be okay for me on this particular live stream, and I've spent 45 minutes already. I've spent 45 minutes already. So let's see. So nobody can tell me exactly the time frame I always told you guys that you should use, you understand, to do your weekly top down analysis. Let me see. Week, weekly to daily and 4 hour. I'm trying because I don't know. I just subscribed recently. Oh. That's very great. That's very good. And you get it very right, my brother. You get it very right. You understand? If you want to do your weekly time frame, you go to your weekly, you go to weekly time. Like if you want to do your weekly top down analysis, go to your weekly time frame. Know how last week candlestick close. Thank you so much, Golden. You are somebody who learn very fast, and I love that. You go to your weekly time frame, you understand, to see how last week candlestick close. You go to your daily time frame to see how the daily time frame is behaving, and you see how last week Friday candlestick close. Then you come to your 4 hour time frame to mark your support and resistance level out. If you are a day trader, you wait for the market to come to 4 hour time frame support level or resistance level. Then you wait for your strategy to play out before you strike. Then if you are a scalper, you can still wait for the market. If you are a scalper or a day trader and you want to make profit, or you want to take a trade and have the rest of money, you wait for the market to come to a 4 hour time frame support and resistance level, or resistance level, before you wait for your strategy to play out. Then you strike. You understand? So Golden get it very right. 100%. Weekly time frame, from weekly time frame to daily time frame, from daily time frame to 4 hour time frame. That is how you do your weekly top down analysis. So Golden, you are somebody who learn very fast, and I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Okay, let me go. Since Golden have answered my prayer, let me go. Answered my question. Let me go. So this is exactly what I'm seeing on the daily, on the weekly time frame. As you can see, if you look closely, we will have a minor resistance level here. You understand? Because as the market is moving from this particular area, there is a resistance level at this particular point. You understand? But this particular resistance level, I still talk about it last week. You understand? But the market tried to go against our analysis. You understand? But I'm still going to emphasize on it, because the market have tapped on this particular resistance level. You understand? So this is how last week candlestick close. And how do you see it? How do you see the way last week candlestick close? This is a long way from that particular resistance level. You understand? This is a long way from that particular resistance level. So let me go to daily time frame. Let me see what the market is doing on the daily time frame. Okay, this is, if you look closely, the market, this is Wednesday candlestick. Wednesday candlestick break above this particular resistance level. You understand? Break and close bullish. Then this is Thursday candlestick. Close pin bar. You understand? Then this is Friday candlestick. Close bearish. So what all these signs that you are seeing, all these signs, what this sign means to you? Means the market have come to this particular resistance level and trying to go to the downside. It might come to this particular support level, or maybe around this particular area, and still go and break above this area. But be very careful on whatever you are doing. But for me, this particular period, this particular week, I'll be suggesting you look out for sell more than buy. But the market is unpredictable. So All you need to do is let's go to 4 hour time frame. Let's see the reaction of the market from 4 hour time frame now like this. So on the 4 hour time frame, where exactly the market is, like the market these days is very very confusing. That's the reason why I answer, is it Libra FX? He said that I should rate a price action, this thing. Abi, what question did he ask? And I say 30% out of 100, because the market is not respecting any resistance or support level. You understand? If the market come to a support level, it will like try all its possible best to break or grab liquidity before it will do anything. You understand? So this is exactly what the market is doing. The market come to this particular, reach this particular area, tap on this particular resistance level, then give this particular bearish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame. And do you know what surprised me the most? We see this particular bearish candlestick last week, and the market go all the way to this particular area. Then now again, the market give this particular bearish candle, reverse a bit, give another bearish candle down to this particular support level. You understand? Then what exactly do you see? The market give a spike to the downside. You understand? A spike to the downside and close like a hammer. Then instead of this particular candlestick to close bullish, so that we know that yes, the market will like go all the way to this particular area, the market still close bearish. So you guys see the confusion now. You understand? You guys see the confusion now, right? So now like this, the market is on this particular support level. You understand? So this is the last support level and this is the last resistance level. Let me clean this particular one so that we'll see it very clear. This is the last resistance level and this is the last support level. Let me you understand? So what exactly are you expecting? The market will like maybe retest this particular support level very very well, then give us maybe something like a bullish engulfing candle, because what I noticed this period is bullish engulfing candle is not like, it's not that active, it's not that working, you understand, except on the 15-minute time frame. You understand? Even on the 15-minute time frame is not working. That's the reason why I suffered a lot last week. That's the reason why I suffered a lot last week. So what I will suggest is, since the market have retest this particular support level, and since the market have retest this particular support level, all we will be waiting for is the market to like retest it, give us something like a bullish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame before we look for a buy, you understand, opportunity to the next resistance level. You understand? Because the market look more bullish than bearish. Regardless of what the market is doing, the market is still going to the upside. You understand? Because this is a strong resistance level. If you look very very well, if you look very very well, is a strong resistance level. The reason why I say it's a strong resistance level, let me mark it out for you guys. The market considered from this particular area down to this particular place, to this particular place. You understand? You see this breakout that happened is a fake. This breakout that happened here, this particular area, is a fake breakout. You understand? So this is a fake breakout that make people think the market is going to set to the downside. Then the market reverse and take everybody out and move all the way to this particular area. You understand? So the market will go to the upside this particular week that will just start. All you need to do is wait for the market on the 4 hour time frame to give a bullish engulfing candle from this particular support level, then you follow it to the upside. You can take a screenshot of this particular thing down, of this particular analysis. Your stop loss will be below this particular long week. You understand? Once your stop loss is below this particular long week, you are good to go. This is exactly what I will do. You understand? This is exactly what I will do. This is exactly what I will do this particular week. I will be looking for a buy opportunity. Once I see a bullish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame, I'll be waiting for a bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame. You understand? Once I see that, I'll just enter. You understand? Regardless of how the market will play out, I'm not going to mind. But I'm still this festive season. That's my 25K account. I don't know if it will survive this particular December, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to risk more. Understand? But I'm not telling you guys to risk more this particular festive season. But I'm going to risk more. Taste of mystery. You miss my, oh, Matthew Jacob. It's like you guys have a meeting. You guys have one particular this thing meeting. Okay, Matthew Jacob come and taste of mystery follow. You understand? So it's like these guys, they have meeting somewhere. They have one particular group that they come from. Remain UD now. You understand? Remain UD. Evening star, evening star candle, stick star candle stick pattern on daily GBP USD. Evening star candlestick pattern on daily GBP USD. See, let me go. I'll check that. I'll check that. Matthew Jacob. I'll check that. Then taste of mystery. You are highly welcome, my brother. I appreciate your coming. You understand? I appreciate your coming. I appreciate your coming. Ah, brother, no. See, no. It's like you guys have one private group. You understand? But sha, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. Thank you, sir. No problem, my bro. No problem, no problem, no problem. I appreciate. I appreciate. Thanks for coming. So this is exactly what I'm saying. But Jacob said there is a star candlestick pattern on daily time frame. No meeting, no wahala, my brother. No wahala, no wahala, no wahala. I understand. But you tell me, you tell me which day that last. I don't know, but that question that you asked that day, if you can come up with it, but just know that everybody. I'll just talk small about it. You understand? Then I'll forget about it, because everybody, they have the way, they have their plan in order now. I don't know if you have not put your plan together for 2026, then you are lacking behind, because me personally, I've put my plan together and I'm going to reveal it for you guys. You understand? Because there is something I see this particular year. You understand, ba? And there's a challenge I'm going to start next year. Next year, as from maybe 15th of January, I'm going to start that challenge. I'm going to take, should I even start revealing it, or I should just keep it secret till then? I've make my plan in order now like this. Everything I'm going to do on 2026, if God guide us till we'll see 2026 in peace. Everything I'm going to do 2026, I've put them together now like this. I've put them together. So you guys, I know you guys love me very, very much. I know, and you guys know I love you guys. So please like the video. I don't know why anytime I finish live stream and I'll see just 2, 3, 4, 5 like only. It's not only you, but at least let it be more than that. And let me see a new subscribers. See when network is disturbing my life, man. So please, I want to see a new subscribers. New subscribers, that's what I need, man. And please, if there's any way you can help the channel grow, please, I'll be very, very appreciated. Either you share it to your live WhatsApp status, or you share it to any group you are in. Please, I'll be very, very share one of my channel, one of my my video to your state, to your group, any group that you are in. Please share one of my video to that group. I'll be very, very appreciated. Please, please, and please, I'm begging. Yeah, help the channel grow. That will make me to like give all I have. Bang bang. I will forever like the stream. Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you. I know that you do that for me. I know you do that for me. Let me see. Yes, the question was, how do you make a trading plan? Know when to trade, when to set stop loss, to break even, and know which strategy best suits you. That's one. Okay, 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 okay. This particular question is like, is he presidential? You understand? I'm going to talk about this particular one. Very, very special. Let me check if I've completed this particular analysis. If I've completed this particular analysis, there is another question again. Nasdaq. Somebody said that I should analyze Nasdaq. After that analysis, then I'll come to this particular question. You understand? But you see, this your question. I would like to like gather more in it. Oh, I've never take water. Oh. No wonder they lose energy. They lose energy low key. I don't know. I'm losing strength. I don't know. Oh my God. I don't know. I'm losing strength. Losing strength. Losing strength. I don't know. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah. I regain small strength now. But if I lose more strength, then I'll just take an excuse and go and balance myself. Small, eat one or two snacks and we'll fire down. Because everybody that I want now, H2O energy drink, H2O energy drink, water energy drink. Yes, they taught us, man. I still remember H2O. That's the formula for water, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Taste of mystery. You are still teaching us. You are reminding us of our way back. Is it chemistry? Is it chemistry or yeah, chemistry? Is it start chemistry that touch us that man? H2O, yeah. So this is it. This is it. Let's check the analysis. So this is on the daily time frame. Is Jacob said there is daily time frame, evening star, be waiting, I don't know, but forget to this, the market these days is unpredictable. And if you look closely, bullish and this particular bullish engulfing candle is very, very strong. You understand? And the market is trying to like, on the 4 hour time frame, because I break it down already. On the 4 hour time frame, the market is on a major support level. You understand? The market consolidate very, very well on this particular play, on this like this place, before it give this particular fake break to the downside, before it move to this particular area. And now like this, the market is on a support level, on this particular support level. So what I would expect is the market to like consolidate a bit, tap on this particular area, then move to the upside. You understand? What is making this girl to be crying like this? Why is she crying like this? Why is she crying like this? I don't just know. You understand? Why is she crying like this? I don't just know. So this is exactly what I'm expecting. The market to consolidate a bit this particular week, this new week. In less than some hours now, the market will open. It will consolidate on this particular support level, then pick us, and it will go to the next resistance level. Just watch how the market is going to play it out. That evening star that you are seeing is just a setup. You understand? Nobody like is unpredictable. Like the market is unpredictable, but regardless, if you know exactly what the market is doing, you can predict it. You understand? You can predict it. But let's see how it's going to be. Let's see how it's going to play out. You understand? Not that I'm doubting what you're saying, but this is exactly what I'm seeing on GPUSD. Understand? This is exactly what I'm seeing on GPUSD. You understand, from my own top down analysis. But this particular area, just look this particular area very, very clean and clear. Before market to break below this particular consideration, it will be very, very tough, regardless of how the market is behaving these days. You understand? Before it should break below this particular resistance support level, it will be very hard. You understand? So just take it. You understand? Take it, take it, take it. And you see the way it break above this particular area with a strong bullish engulfing candle. So forget the pin bar, forget the indecision candle that you are seeing. The market is still going up, you understand, this particular week. Let's see how it's going to play out, you understand. Let's see how it's going to play out. And we'll be here tomorrow by 8 p.m. again, you understand. We'll be here tomorrow by 8 p.m. I don't know why my video is not going viral. Is it because you guys don't used to share my video? I don't know why. Mm. I don't know why my video is not going viral. Is it because you guys don't used to share my video? Share it to your status, share it to any group that you are in, please and please. I'm begging you. I want this particular channel to be known by a lot of people, you understand. It will help a lot of people, and I'll give all, like, I'll give my all this new year that we are about to enter. I'll make sure I shift a lot of people's mindsets. I'll make sure I'll help as many as I can in this particular industry. The little I know, I'll make sure I impart it in the life of a struggling traders. You understand? So please and please make sure this particular group, this particular channel get to one part, like skyrocket. You understand? If you can make it skyrocket, just make it skyrocket, either by praying praying prayer alone no work. Just share and like, comment and engage in my video. That's all I want, man. That's all I want. And if you can do that, I'll be very, very appreciated. So which again, which one? Okay. Yeah, I don't know the person. Clyde, I don't know if you understand the analysis. Please, you guys, if you guys understand the analysis that I do on GPUSD, please let me know on the comment section real quick. Let me know on the comment section if you understand the analysis that I give. If you understand the analysis, just let me know on the comment section. And if there is anything you are seeing, still let me know on the comment section. I'm on the comment section waiting for your reply. YouTube usually look into that, sir. YouTube usually looks into that, sir. So it could be views, also like and engagement. So I don't know. My views are going down. I'm aggressively active. I don't know why. But you guys can help me, man, by sharing it, engage in the video, like and subscribe, share it. Maybe that will help it grow, man. That will help it grow. And I pray you guys do that for me. For me, understand very well. Okay, that's very great. So you say, Golden, you say I should analyze okay, is network issue, network problem. You say, Clyde, you say do 15 on this please. Okay. So on the 15-minute time frame, what I'll be looking out for on the 15-minute time frame, since I've marked the support level out on the 4-hour time frame, me personally, I take my trade on the 15-minute time frame. But the reason why I don't normally go to 15-minute time frame is not because it's not everybody that use 15-minute time frame to take their trade. You understand? But me, I use 15-minute time frame to take my trade. Okay, as the market is on this particular support level, what I'll be expecting is the market to like come to this particular. See, there is a fair value gap here safe. You understand? So I will shift this particular buy limit to this particular area. You understand? This particular fair value gap. There is a fair value gap here on the 15-minute time frame. You understand? This is the fair value gap on this 15-minute time frame. So the buy limit will be on this particular fair value gap. So the market will consolidate, like come down to this particular fair value gap, and if the market comes to this particular fair value gap and you see a bullish engulfing candle from this particular area, then that's the time for you to enter. You understand? Once you enter, your stop loss will be below at least let me see how many pip is this particular. Okay, at least this 16 or 20 pip away from your entry, because this particular period market look for liquidity very well. You understand? Either from 10 to 15 pip, you understand? That is how you set your stop loss, from 10 to 20 pip, you understand, stop loss. Then you target 1 to 2, 1 to 3 to 1 to 5. You understand? But from 10 to 20 pip, 10 to 20 pip max. You understand? 10 to 20 pip max. If you are using 15-minute time frame to like confirm your entry, you understand? Sometimes say even 5 pip, like 5, I will be risking 5 pip. You understand? If depends on how the candlestick close. You understand? So, but it will be very good if you give a breathing space. This period, it will be very good if you give a breathing space. So on the 15-minute time frame, wait for the market to come to this particular fair value gap and wait for it to give you a 15-minute bullish engulfing candle before you take your buy. You understand? Once you see that 15-minute bullish engulfing candle, even if it is tomorrow, which is Monday, just enter your buy position. Then just wait and hold. You understand? Wait and hold till they give at least 1 to 2, then you stop it out. 1 to 2, either if it give at least 1 to 2, you take partial profit, then put the remaining one on break even, then you leave it till you reach that particular resistance level. You understand? I don't know if you understand. Clyde, I don't know if you understand. I don't know if you understand how how I analyze that 15-minute candlestick, how you can use that 15-minute time frame. I don't know if you understand. If you understand, just let me know real quick, so that we'll go to that NASDAQ. Carry on. Okay, that's very great. So Godin said that we should analyze NASDAQ for him. Then after that NASDAQ, then we'll come back. We'll come down to our brother. This thing. Let me see the new comment. Okay, there's no new comment. Where that NASDAQ questions? Where that NASDAQ? Okay, this is the NASDAQ. Okay, let's check NASDAQ. Let's see what NASDAQ is doing. Let's check what NASDAQ is doing. I'm losing strength to what's happening. I'm losing strength. I need to put something for stomach. Do I even have any snacks? Okay, I have snacks. I'm losing strength. I don't know why. Okay, this NAS 100. NAS 100. This is it here. NAS 100. This is NAS 100 on our screen here. First of all, we'll go to weekly time frame. Let's see how weekly time frame. Oh boy. Let's see how weekly time frame is behaving. Okay. So on NAS now, you just wait for the market to retrace a bit, then you enter for a sell. You understand? Because the market have make almost a double top. Yes, the market have make almost a double top, and it gives this particular bearish engulfing candle on the weekly time frame. So just a minute, you understand? Just a minute, guys. A minute, because if I faint now, you guys will know. None of you there with me to carry me up. If I faint now, none of you there with me to carry me up. So please, just a minute. Let me carry snacks from shop and eat. Yeah. And the help you guys can give me is to just like the video before you can even try to go. Please like the video, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I keep on saying it. I want to see enough subscribers. Man, at least I need to see enough subscribers. Then please share the video to any group you belong to. Please. I'll be very appreciated, man. If you even share it, You can take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp, please. If you share this particular video live, if you share this particular live video, you can take a screenshot. I have to pay. You have to pay before you eat. Omo, na my shop, it's my shop o. Or you pay for me dey, or you pay for me, you pay for me. No do make I paste my pay account number o. You pay for me dey, you pay for my for what I'm going to eat. So if you share this particular live stream, you can send a screenshot to me or my WhatsApp, please. I want you guys to like share my videos, man. Let me go and eat. Just a minute, guys. Just some minutes. Make I go and get some snacks and eat before I faint. If I faint, you guys are not here with me to carry me up. So see this my people. So now see dey active, man. Please just some minutes. Let make I just put something for stomach, man. Some minutes, some minutes, some minutes, some minutes. Some minutes, some minutes, some minutes. Yo, ah. I don't know if I dey eat, I can be analyzing the charts, man. I don't know. Mm. No. So non-farm payroll na on Tuesday. Tuesday is non-farm payroll. These people are not serious. They will still cancel this thing. Non-farm pay employment change. Not NFP now. Okay, it's not NFP. This is not the original NFP. CPI is what? Okay, that is on GPP. On 2:30 Tuesday, high impact news plenty on USD 2:30 p.m. When you see Friday, then Friday will come be waiting. And there's no any serious news on Friday. CPI on Thursday, unemployment claim, high impact news on Thursday. See Tuesday and Thursday. Oh, wahala. Make I share that one with you guys first. Make I dey eat. Taste of mystery, how far? You wan know wetin I dey omo, make I show una. E no get anything wey I no fit show una. Yeah, shey you don see am? Take a screenshot and go and post and go and post it. Shey you don see am? You don see am abi? Okay, now this is what I'm eating. These people una no go kill me. Your enjoyment is you are enjoying, my brother. Na im dey keep you fresh. Me fresh ke, where dat freshness? Me wey stress don finish my life. I no fresh oo. Aha. Okay, add. Okay, yeah. I think say I don go do one mistake like dat. So this is exactly what I'm saying. So if I go wait oo, why is it like na wey go do me not sharing entire screen again? Make I go. Mhm. This is exactly what I'm saying. If you look closely, you will see this is Thursday, ba? See USD, see 230, right? This is 230. CPI, you understand? You see CPI for 230. Then 230 again, unemployment claim, you understand? Then this one, core CPI, all of them are 2230. Then this ones na from this euro own na from dat kain 240 something. Dat na low impact news, but dis high impact news are from 2230. Dis high impact news are from 2230. Den Tuesday own, where Tuesday dey? Okay, dis is Tuesday ba? Dis is Tuesday. See high impact news on USD. All dis anyone you see red like dis is high impact, you understand? So dis is non-farm unemployed change, not non-farm payroll, you understand? Had it been na non-farm payroll, e for be on Friday because dem no dey release. I have never see one day dat dey release non-farm payroll on any other day apart from Friday. So let's see how it's going to be sha, but God will help. I go scale am oo, badly sef. I go scale am, but there's a challenge I wan start next year, you understand ba. I wan test my strategy with one particular small amount. Let me see if I can grow it, but everything will be on record. $50 to $5,000. Let me see if I can grow it. But you see dat those two profit wey dey my account, dat 400 next profit, all the profit wey dey my account, I go dey risk am and una go dey see am. Anytime I take trade with those account, una go see am. Either I go dey risk 1% or 2%. I go calculate am dey risk 2% per trade or 1% per trade, depend on how my spirit lead me. Because I go either lose am early or pass am early, because I have a challenge to do, you understand? I go on challenge, let me see, because there is something that like e get how I take calculate am reach, you understand? E get wetin I observe. When I'm doing challenge early last year, I know how conscious and how serious, although I've learn how to like e be like sey I don get strength, make I okay, I never get strength, I for no fit dey talk. I don get strength. Taste of mystery, just 1 minute. Yauwa. Yeah, at least I'm okay now. I can talk now. So first of all, we are doing analysis on a Nasdaq, right? But according to what Ezekiel said, I think it's Ezekiel that said that particular thing, that there will be news on Tuesday, and exactly it's true. You understand? There will be high impact news on Tuesday and Thursday. You understand? But Friday there won't be high impact news. Then after, if I stop sharing this screen, then I'll go to my empty trading view. I'll stop sharing this screen. I'll stop sharing this screen. Then I'll go to my okay. Yep. I'll go and share screen again. Then bring up my trading view. Then where trading view? Oh, wahala. Trading view don dey again o. What is this? What is this? What is this? Okay, so I need to close some tab. I can close this tab now. Then window. Why trading view no come appear? Window now. What is this? Why trading view no come? Why trading view no appear? Why trading view no appear? Why trading view no appear? Wahala. I'm coming abeg. Then load up. I'm going to you say you ask that question that you asked, you say I think I heard you say you want to scale your risk new year next year. Is it with your prop account? I'm going to like any of my account at all. You understand? Because that's a challenge that I'll do, taking a $50 to $5,000. I'll risk much just to achieve that particular goal next year. You understand? Then that particular prop account that I'm using, I'll risk it just to either lose it or gain it or pass or make withdrawal from inside next year. So next year I'm going to like increase my risk in all my accounts. You understand? Because that $50 to $5,000, I'm not going to like manage that particular $50. Is either I risk maybe $10 or $5 at the beginning of that particular challenge. Then if I grow it times two, I'll increase it times two. If I grow it times three, I'll increase it times three. You understand? Gradually like that. Because if I refuse to increase it, that particular challenge will not be that, like that particular target will not be achieved 2026. And I will want that particular challenge to be achieved 2026. If my strategy work out the way it work out this particular year, next year, there will no like there will not be any reason that I will not achieve that particular goal. You understand? So I'm going to like do it and everything. I think I'm going to share everything with you guys because I'll be coming live time to time, show you guys all the history from the beginning when I'll make that deposit into my favorite broker, OptaFX, from the beginning to the end. You guys are going to see it. Any of the $50 that I lost, you guys are going to see it. If anyone, I'm not going to manage it that I'm not going to lose account or this and that the way I do it this year. Not like that. Next year is either the account go or e dey. That's how it's going to be next year. You understand? So please, you guys are going to see how everything is going to be next year. You understand? That no be say I'm going to like pet any account, and immediately as I dey start trading next year, you see that 25k account and that 10k account, that 10k if care is not taken, I'm going to be risking 2% per trade. If I see my, I will not be taking any unnecessary trade o. If I see my setup bam, I will knack 2%. You understand? If I see my setup bam, I will just knack 2%, either 1% or 2%, anyone that my spirit move. You understand? That particular period, that's how I'm going to risk it. And you guys are going to see it. Just that I've learned how to manage my trade and learn how to be patient and learn how to be very, very disciplined to wait for my strategy to play out. If my strategy work next year, if the strategy that I use this 2025 work next year, then you guys are going to see wonder. I'm like, that is just promise. You guys are going to see wonder because I will not pity any account. And if any trade go in my favor, I will make money. That one just dey. If any trade go in my favor, I will make money. And if e go against me, that amount that I will be risking, that is what I will be risking regardless of how the trade look like. You understand? That amount that I will be risking, that is what I will continue risking regardless of how the trade look like. Then if, because one thing that you guys need to know is you cannot control how much you can get from a trade, but you can control how much you lose on a trade. You understand ba? That is one thing. And me, there's nothing like greediness on my head again. Like, I don't be greedy. I fit just risk $50 and get $50 from that trade and I'm okay. I fit risk $50 and I'll get, let me just say $70 and I'll be okay. You understand? And you guys today, and you always see that anytime I stop out of a trade, that particular trade will like come down against me. Immediately if I stop out, it will come down. But what I'm going to do, I'll apply like next year, I'll be risking the same amount, but I'll be apply proper trade management. You understand? Risk management, that one dey intact because the amount I'm going to be losing per trade, that is what I'll stick to. Then trade management will be intact because I will not be greedy, so that maybe trade will go like that kind 1-to-1, 1-to-2, then you still allow it to come down and hit your SL. No, that one is not part of me. That is the reason why I can, they allow my trade to go 1-to-3, 1-to-2, 1-to-4. All these ending week in profit for complete 18 weeks straight, if no fit happen. You understand? Because some of them will go 1-to-1. When I put it on break even, it will reverse back and hit SL, go below SL. You understand? Some of them will go 1-to-2. I'll take partial profit immediately. I take out partial profit and I put it on break even. It will reverse from that particular place. You understand? That is why I keep on talking about trade management, because I know what trade management have helped me achieve, and I know how what trade management have like make me, because to like go 18 weeks straight, ending 18 weeks straight in profit, no one is lost inside. It's not an easy something. You understand? So it's only trade management that can make that makes me achieve that. So I've learned trade management this particular week. I've learned discipline. You understand? You know what they call confirmed discipline. I've learned confirmed discipline, and I've learned my strategy to the core. I know how it work. I know how many RR it dey give. I know when the strategy cannot go anymore. You understand? I've studied all that one. So next year now, any account that I fund, once I fund that, I will not fund more than $50. And you guys, if I fund this, I'll make video, and the history will just the history. That's what you guys will be following. Just the history. I'll just be in. You understand? Even if, and I think I just pray so that I'll not have urgent need and withdraw from that particular amount, from that particular account, so that you guys will be seeing that particular history. You understand? That history, the withdrawal, the deposit, the profit, and the loss. You guys are going to see everything from when I'll start the challenge down till the end of 2026. By God grace, if God guide us, that's just exactly what I'm going to do next year. You understand? Challenge of taking $50 to $5,000 next year is sure. I don't mind how many times I'm going to fund that account, but you see that $5,000, I'm going to reach it next year. Inshallah. Inshallah. I'm going to reach it next year. $5,000, I'm going to reach it next year. I don't even mind how many times I'm going to like fund it. But I know the way, like, there is something that is telling me anytime I say I don't know how many times I'm going to fund it, there is something that always talk to me that don't you trust your strategy, because how much am I even going to risk? I'm going to risk maybe $10 per trade for the start, you understand? Then how will I take, how I go even take trade $10, 10 times 5, is I think 5 times ba, 10 10 10 10 10 10 20 10 10 40 10. Okay, 5, how I go take 5 trade and all of them will go against me? No way, you understand? So I don't mind how it's going to be, you understand? But that's it, that's it. So let me see. Abeg no vex my brother, I don't know if you are still active, I don't know if you are still active. Libra, I don't, oh my God, your question, I have not answer your question. Sorry, my brother. I have not answer your question. NASDAQ. But please, just a minute, my brother. Don't be angry. A minute. NASDAQ. Please don't be angry. I'll analyze it very, very fast. Yes, technical analysis does not beat knowing when to take profit, knowing when to exit a trade, and knowing how much to risk, even knowing how long to hold a trade is far more important. Sharp, bro. That's just it. Sharp, 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 sharp. Once you know that, e don finish. Bam. Then so let me answer this, my brother. It's not be long that this guy join us o. So let me make I no make him vex. Abeg, Golden, if you are active, let me know. Golden, if you are active, let me know real quick, because I have less than, let me just say, I have less than 16 minutes to go. Let me analyze that NASDAQ real quick. But I've seen what exactly NASDAQ is doing already. It's just to like analyze it for you now. I don't know if you are still active. Please, Golden, if you are still active, see the question that you asked. I've pinned it on my screen. If you are still active, just let me know real quick so that I'll like do the analysis. I'll be waiting for your response, please. Real quick. I have less than 15 minutes to go, because 2 hours is 2 hour, 2 hour, 2 hour. You see, this festive season, I don't have money to I don't have money how am I even going to put it? To recharge this particular platform. Oh. No, I don't have money, and they say the highest I can go is 20 something, I don't know. And I have to subscribe it $25. You understand? I think $25, yeah, if I will continue doing analysis. But if I reach that 20 hours that they give me for free, then I'll just be using normal YouTube, and that one will be normal interaction, means I no fit share my screen. That's why, because you see this festive season, omo, I'm a family man, a lot of things dey my head, man. I dey tell una, see, I love tell you guys everything o. Okay, please, I'm active. Alright. This is it. So let me share my screen. No wahala, my bro. Thank you so much. Thank you for not mad at me, bro. Man, this is it. I've shared my screen just to add it now. Okay. Yep. This is Nasdaq. This is NAS 100 on my screen. I don't know if you are seeing it very clear, but this is NAS 100 on my screen. And You know how we'll do it. This is daily time frame actually, but I'll still go to weekly time frame so that we'll see what weekly time frame is doing. You understand? This is weekly time frame. You understand? As you can see, weekly time frame make a double top and give this particular bearish engulfing candle. But do you know what? If not because of this particular double top, I for not to mind the bearish engulfing candle, because we have been seeing this bearish engulfing candle for long, and the market continue its movement to the upside. Understand? But we have to like give it a double a touch now. You understand? So that we not fall victim. You get? So all these particular bearish candle, even this bearish engulfing candle that we'll see, bearish engulfing candle that we'll see, we'll not see it when the market make a double top. You understand? We'll just see it when the market is trying to retrace to the downside. That's the only time we'll see a bearish engulfing candle. Just have that one in mind. Okay, so that you not get what I'm going to say wrong. So this is it here. This is exactly what I'm saying. So we'll see a bearish engulfing candle on the weekly time frame. So you go down to a daily time frame and see what exactly daily time frame is doing. You understand? Okay, on a daily time frame, the market make this particular almost double top here. You understand? Then last week Friday, what exactly, which type of candlestick is this? This is bearish engulfing candle. Understand? This is what I always preach about. This bearish engulfing candle. So whenever a market give a bearish engulfing candle like this, and it's from a resistance level where it make a double top, um all you supposed to do is to just look for your entry and enter the market to the next support level. And where is the next support level that you suppose target? This is it here. You understand? As you can see, this is a strong support level because this is one here. You understand? The market test this particular zone, come down. You understand? Gather momentum before you break above this particular zone to the upside. You understand? Retest it, go up, retest it, go up, come down and retest it again before the market make a double top and coming down with this particular bearish engulfing candle. Okay, now anytime you see that yes, market want to go to the downside, you see a bearish engulfing candle. Why? Because bearish engulfing candle give a sign that sellers have take over from buyers. You understand? Anytime you see a bullish engulfing candle from a support level, means buyers have take over from sellers. You understand? So this is a bearish engulfing candle. If you are somebody who trades Nasdaq, all you need to do is to go to your lower time frame, like that kind of 4 hour time frame, because this is exactly what I'm expecting. The market to like come to this particular support level. In the market to, since we don't see this particular sign, it will come to this particular support level, then give us its movement to the its movement to the down to the upside. And if the market come to this particular support level, consolidate and break to the downside, means we'll target the next support level. You understand? Means it will retest, then we'll target the next support level. So this is exactly what I'm saying on the daily time frame. But before we even do that, let's see what 4 hour time frame is doing, because 4 hour time frame also have upper hand in the market. You understand? So we'll go to like, we'll mark this particular place that the market is presently now out. You understand? Let's mark it out. You understand? We'll mark it out like this, then we'll go to 4 hour time frame. If you go to 4 hour time frame, the market is on a support level actually. You understand? So what you need to do now is, you, as the market is going to like open in less than some hours, right? So you wait for this particular market. Don't just enter for sale from here like this, because this is a support level, this is a support level, and under this particular support level there is no any fair value gap. Had it been this particular candlestick, let me expand it so that you guys will see it very clear. See this particular place, let me mark it out. This particular place, right, for be a for be our target, you understand, before the market will move to the upside. This place that I mark out like this, just look at this place very carefully, then I'll delete what exactly I use mark it out, then I'll show you what fair value gap look like. You understand? Hope you have seen it, but then let me delete it I'm going to delete it, then you see what exactly this thing. Okay, I'll use this thing to show you guys. Okay, this is okay. You see this gap. You see the gap from this particular candlestick to this particular candlestick. That about that is, if they say fair value gap, fair value gap, fair value gap, and you don't understand what fair value gap is all about. This gap here, you understand, this gap, as the market is trying to move to the upside, this impulsive move that it takes to the upside, you understand, between this candlestick and this particular candlestick, not the one that before the impulsive move and the candlestick after the impulsive move, that gap between them is the fair value gap. And anytime the market create that kind this type of fair value gap, you expect the chart, you understand, to come down and fill the gap. And this is it here. You expect the market to come down and fill the gap. Even if the market is moving from here to the upside, don't buy you understand. All you need to do is put your buy in this particular area, then your stop loss below this particular support level. That's how I come out of drawdown last week. If you see how that candlestick, if you see how market pick me, you understand, no drawdown at all, because I see fair value gap on the 50-minute time frame, and I put my buy limit there. I'm not even on the screen when the market come and pick me. This particular gap here is a fair value gap, but the reason why we are not going to like maybe emphasize too much on this particular fair value gap is because before the market move up, you see this week, this long week to the downside, cover the fair value gap. If not, had it been this fair value gap have not been filled, like I will say, you should just wait patiently. All you need to do is maybe put your buy limit around this particular area. Put your buy limit here like this, then wait for the market to consolidate around this particular area, then you just target a buy. You understand? You just target a buy, because okay, this is below the this thing here. You just target a buy, but there is no way you are going to do this now again. You understand? The reason why you are not going to do this again is because the markets have already filled the fair value gap. You understand? So now like this, what you're supposed to do to follow the trend to the downside, since the market have given us a sign that it's going to the downside, from this particular support level, just wait for the market to retrace a bit to the upside. You understand? Wait for the market to come to this particular area. You understand? Wait for the market to come to this particular area, because you see this gap, this is the fair value gap that I always talk about. So the market will retrace from here, maybe consolidate somehow, consolidate. You understand? Consolidate, then tap on this particular fair value gap before you see a break to the downside. You understand? And you know how Nasdaq move. So you just wait a little bit. You understand? Wait for the market to consolidate to this particular fair value gap, then you enter your sell. Immediately you should see the market inside this particular gap like this. Just mark it out on your phone or your laptop. Immediately you should see that the market come to this particular area. All you need to do is to just enter for a sell. You understand? Enter for a sell from here like this, somewhere here before, just a bit ahead, then go to, this is the last high that break below this particular support level bar. All you need to do is take your stop loss above this particular high, then you target the next support level. You understand? Then you target the next support level, and the next support level will be somewhere around here. You understand? So that's about 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Then you just say 1 to 3 around here like this, because I'll still go. Let me check back if we have any strong. Okay, there's a support level here. You understand? There's a support level here before this particular major support level. There's a support level. This place is a support level. So we have a support level here and I can even extend it to this particular area. We have a support level here, you understand? So your target will be somewhere around here. Then this just it, you understand? This is exactly what I'm expecting on NAS 100. You get? So all you need to do is put your sell limit here, you understand? Put your sell limit here, then make sure, please and please make sure your stop loss is above this particular resistance level, because anything that will make the market go above this particular resistance level means the market is like going to the upside again, you understand? So anytime you enter a trade, just give your trade a breathing space, you understand? Breathing space that we don use to give our trade. That's the reason why you see that market will stop you out first before it will go in your direction, you understand? As you can see, this particular candlestick, this particular Nasdaq used to give all this long week. So if you do not give your trade a breathing space, that week will just stop you out before it will go in your favor. So this is exactly what I'm seeing on NAS 100. I don't know if you understand this analysis, this short analysis. I don't know if you understand this short analysis. But if you understand, please let me know in the comment section real quick, please, my brother. If you understand, let me know. Let me know. My time is up. My time is off, man. If you understand the analysis, please let me know. Let me see. Oh. I have plenty comment. Okay. Let me see. Broke too funny. Wow. Oh. I have okay. Please, I'm here. It's network issue. Okay. No problem. But please, if you understand, just let me know if you understand. But if you're having network problem, you can just come to this particular, you can come to the analysis and watch it anytime, you understand? That's just it. So broke too funny, how is it long time. Broke too funded 101. Oh, broke too funded, you are welcome. Let me see Benv, let me see. You say what? Benv, I have a question. You say you have been trading for 4 years. What is keeping you from advancing in forex? My brother, you don't know why you dey talk like this, and you're not a beginner trader. So like, how many years are you now, Jacob, in this particular space? How many trader are you now? I've never ever attended any forex course. Oh. Yes, I understand. Thank you. All right, that's very great. That's very great, my brother. That's very great. So, Matthew Jacob, I want to know how many years you are in this particular industry. Matthew, please respond to me real quick. My time is up. Respond to me real quick. How many years are you now in this particular industry? How many years? You know, my paddy, I don't expect these questions from you. As if you don't know what forex trading is. Do you want me to rush it? I don't. 2 years and I never took a course. So that's the reason why you don't know what's happening, bro. That's the reason why you don't know what's happening, bro. Like, you think, I beg, don't get this particular game wrong, man. If you get this game wrong, see, you are at the right place now not to get it wrong. The only thing that will save you, that will make you be in this game for long, is when you don't rush the process and you follow the due process, you understand? If you follow the process slow and steady and try to master your craft, there is no way. Bro, I passed 4 problem this year. That is not my concern. You fit just start forex trading. That is a beginner's luck for you, bro. You fit just start today like this, and you can pass a prop account. I can give my junior brother of 10 years an account because of my strategy that he know, you understand, and he will pass an account. That doesn't mean he's profitable. You understand? That doesn't mean he's profitable. Don't talk as if reality, don't see, reality will hit you. I follow everything, bro. I'm not rushing. So maybe Yeah, you have money now. Then since you pass for prop accounts this year, tell us how many accounts you have blown. You understand? Tell us how many accounts you have blown this year. Forex is not. See, you have not, like, you never, you never have loss in this particular game. You understand that? Maybe you have a good approach. You understand? Maybe somebody, the person that had, like, maybe the person that, like, that introduce you to forex trading, tell you everything about forex trading. That's why you can talk like this. Not everyone can pass prop account. No be, see, no be cho cho cho, no be cho cho cho. Get, see, I know dey like make person come dey proud, none alone. I no wan make person come dey brag. See, don't brag, this is trading. You can see reality fit just hit you anytime. See, maybe you don have wrong approach to this particular space that we are. If you have a wrong approach to this particular space, I swear to God, you will not be talking like this. Matthew, I even think you are somebody that have experience in this particular game. This, all this thing you are doing is just a beginner's luck, and reality will hit you and you say Benv excel you. You understand? Reality will hit you. See, trading will teach you lesson, because the way you are talking, you have not experienced anything in this industry. If at all you have experienced something in this industry, you won't be talking like this. You won't be commenting like this. Oh shit, man. Oh God. Forex is not something you can rush. 4 years does not mean you will be driving a Lambo. Most traders fail. You scale gradually. Gradually, let me tell you. Make research, and I'm good in making research. You understand? That's what I can be proud of. You understand? As when Happy Forest have spent almost 4 to 5 years in the game, you understand? He's still trading with 3.23 Australian dollar. I keep saying this thing on my channel here. You understand? And you think I'll rush trading because of any pressure from anybody? No. In the little space that I am, I want to master what I'm doing, not to rush the process. No, if you rush the process, later you come and be calling forex a scam. And forex is not a scam. It's somebody like you that make people rush what they don't know. You understand? So please don't come and mislead people here, bro. I respect you a lot. I even think you are somebody that, like, maybe have an experience in this particular game, but it seems you don't have an experience now. You get? So please don't come and mislead. This is just like a family. Don't come and mislead people. Slow and steady is the name of the game, my bro. Don't come and mislead people. You understand? Don't come and mislead people. Just keep doing your thing, jejely. You understand? I'm 4 years in the game. You understand? I'm 4 years in the game, yes. And I'm proudly to say, yes, I'm 4 years in the game, but you never see me with Lamborghini. But I know what exactly I'm doing. Matthew. Forest is not something you can rush. 4 years does not mean you will be driving Lambo. Most traders fail. You scale gradually. You scale gradually, my brother. You scale gradually. Just 2 years in the game. You understand? Maybe he has a good approach. You understand? To the forex industry, or maybe he's somebody that have backup. You understand? Whenever he lose, he can fund again. Whenever he lose, he can fund again. That is how maybe he come across this particular this thing. That maybe that's why he can talk like this. You understand? But no now, coming to make people feel as if they don't know exactly what they are doing, it doesn't really make sense. Okay, you are 2 years in the game. 2 years in the game, you cannot be profitable just within 2 years, except if you are staying with a mentor. You understand? You cannot be profitable within just 2 years, except if you are st- if you are working with a mentor. Like, he's just capping. But I think I've done, like, this is just like a family. We don't need any. Maybe if you think somebody have this thing experience, and you like, shit, man, Kai, what make me think this guy have experience in this game, bro, at the first time? Please, what's this? Like, why is he even trying to mislead people so that beginners now, or maybe, like, forever and ever, nobody can make me rush this particular game. You understand? Forever and ever, nobody. And please, my brothers and sisters, don't let anybody make you rush this particular game, because it's not a game that you're supposed to rush. It's a game of slow and still steady. Know exactly what you are doing. If you have money, go and stay with a mentor. Don't register online, because what they will teach you online is just trash. And register with mentor sef. Like, everything they are going to teach you, you can learn everything free of charge online. What exactly am I doing here? Is it not to do, ask me any question that you want, you understand, and I will answer you. I've gotten the experience. I've seen the bad side and the good side of this particular game, and that is the reason why I come up with this particular channel, so that you ask me a question, I'll do analysis, we'll share idea and the rest. Simple as that. Not that you come and be like making other beginner trader thinking, oh, so I can even make it within two. Maybe that particular guy now, they like, he come from a rich family that he can, maybe he has another huge source of income, you understand. He don't have any responsibility. Maybe you that have responsibility now, he will come and be putting pressure on you, you understand. Then you could go and be losing unnecessary money. Since this year 2025, I've never lost 1 naira to this particular game. You understand why? Because I want to master I don't want to rush the process. I want to like follow the process slow and steady. Straight 18 weeks. You understand? Straight 18 weeks. None of them, I did not end any one of them in lost. I document everything on my channel. You understand? Then you come here and you come and be make and you come and think you come and you think you can make me feel less of myself, or as if me that know exactly what I'm doing. Oh no. Nah. But please and please, my brothers and sisters, please don't let anybody that come from a rich family make you rush the process. Please, please, please. Please and please, don't make anybody that come from a rich family make you rush the process. You understand? Like, this game, the definition that I give this particular forex trading is a platform program, you understand, to make the rich who don't have the knowledge poor, and to make the poor who have the knowledge rich. That is the definition I give to this particular game. You understand? Myself, you get. Because if you look at how this particular thing work, do you know how much I've lost to this game before I say let me calm down? Reality have not hit him. If reality hits him, all these things that he's saying, he will create another channel. You understand? He will create another YouTube channel, come to Benv channel and say, oh, my brother, this thing that you are saying, oh, so it's true. You understand? But that one, another channel he will create. I don't want anybody that will come and be misleading people who are with me like a family. You understand? Nobody. I don't give anybody that chance to come and mislead anybody here. You understand? This game is not a game that you come and be putting pressure on people to go and be risking unnecessarily. No, even the way I'm going to do it next year, I will make sure I will like document everything in such a way that people will know that yes, this game is not a game of get rich quick scheme. You understand? A get rich quick game. It's just a slow and steady game. Happy Forest do complete 4 to 5 years, and it's trading, and he's trading with 3.2 Australian dollar. I keep saying this thing. Go to his YouTube channel, last 5 years YouTube channel. You will see that particular video that that he's trying to teach a modern way of using MT4 and MT5. If you watch that video to middle, you understand, close to a middle, you will see when he's trying to switch from his real account to demo account, and you see that particular amount that he that is trading with as of last 5 years. That Happy Forest now is the one that buy Ferrari yesterday. Is it yesterday or day before yesterday? I don't know. You understand? He's the one that buy Ferrari yesterday or day before yesterday. He's the one that is trading with $5 million account. He's the one that is making $1.5 million in a day from a single trade. You understand? And it mean he rushed the process. If he lose everything and give up, then everything now that he's achieving, if I don't even see, like, if I don't even call forex trading a scam, don't they do another thing? So he followed it. Like, Happy self is not even look like somebody that come from a poor family. You understand? Happy attended Lagos this thing Unilag. Anybody that the parent can afford to like send him to Unilag, that person is not from a poor family. Maybe at least an average family. Check Happy history. Check when Happy is rolling with like outsiders, white men. When he's very very small, he's rolling with outsiders, white men. You understand, Oyibo? So you, and as of last 5 years, he's still trading with 3.23 Australian dollar. And you are here trying to put pressure on newbies, people that are struggling. Abi, is it because they today title is not struggling trader with Benv FX, that is weekly top-down analysis with Benv FX? That guy will create another channel before he will see my channel on this particular platform. He wants to like make people like feel less of themselves, as if they are not trying, of which is the one that don't even know what exactly he's doing, because he's getting a beginner's luck. He think that is how it's work. I beg, my like I am begging you guys. This game is just a slow and steady game. You understand? It's just a slow and steady. If you want to stay in this game forever, Happy now he's giving a testimony that he thank God that he choose the he thank God he choose the way he choose forex trading last 9 years. You understand? 9 years ago, Happy Forest choose the risky game. You understand? And this is when he's sharing his story. Have you spent that 9 years in this particular industry? And the way they come up sef, they have an upper hand. They are the first influencers in this particular game in Nigeria. You understand? Don't you know how much they make from consummate trading? Consummate trader no vex, a lot of beginners traders think like this. The market is very quick and very quick to humble. Exactly, my brother, exactly. Make I even forget that guy. Take some mystery, just believe me, he will create another channel before he will see another, before he will see this my channel again. He will create another channel, because I don't want anybody that will come and be like misleading people here. You understand? Because this particular channel, I want to make it like a channel where you will come and be like encouraged. You understand? You are doing everything perfectly. You understand? Don't just rush the game, because if you rush the game, you are going to lose everything. You understand? So just slow and steady until you master that particular strategy that you use to like take your trade every day, every night. Until you master that strategy, before you'll be scaling up slow and steady, slow and steady. This game is not a game that you rush. You understand? So please, this game is not a game that you rush. Forex trading is not a game that you rush. Just as we are about to enter 2026, make sure you have your plan on ground. Then please don't do anything outside of your plan. You understand? As I follow everything slow and steady, this particular year. I make that plan since last year, you understand, before I end it like this year. You understand? So please make your trading plan easy for you. Don't rush anything. You will not become profitable overnight. You will not buy Lamborghini overnight. This thing will not make you rich overnight. This game is a game that you cannot celebrate your win. I don't know if I'm lying. Abeg, I will follow this particular I will follow all the comments one after the other. One and always. I don't know if I'm lying. This game, this forex trading, is a game that you cannot celebrate. There is no way you can celebrate your win. You understand? You cannot celebrate your win because you don't know what the outcome of your next trade. Your yesterday win have nothing to do with your today's trade o. But people don't know. Maybe when reality hits now, he will think it's another thing that is doing him, but he don't know that his mentality that is disturbing him. You understand? This is a game that that before you even celebrate your win, you have to like use that particular profit to purchase something. You understand? Forex trading, before you celebrate your win in this particular forex trading, you have to use that profit that you have, purchase one asset, then you can celebrate with it because that asset is not longer in your account again. You understand? That money that you use buy that asset is no longer in your account, so you can celebrate that one. But any money, any profit you make and it's still in your bank account or it's still in your trading account, you cannot celebrate it because you don't know what the outcome of the next trade you are going to take will be. All right, make I follow the comments one after the other. Forex is not okay. Yeah. Scale gradually, man. Just keep it slow and steady. Don't let anybody pressure you. You understand? Don't let anybody pressure you. The game is to make it to the 1%. You understand? The goal is to make it to the 1% of profitable traders, not to just jump in and jump out. No. Slow and steady and be among the 1%. That is the goal. You understand? That is the goal. Slow and steady and make it to the top 1% that is consistently profitable in the game. That is the goal. Please and please, you guys that is watching me now, please and please. This business is not something you rush. If you rush, you will be sorry. They don't know. They don't know. Good thing they don't know. You understand? Until reality hits them. That is just like what he's saying. He's just I see him as a beginner. You understand? The market have not yet humbled him. Maybe he's been trading demo account all this while. You understand? Then he stepped into a prop account. Then he used the energy from demo account on that particular prop account and he can be able to pass it. That's the reason why he's talking like that. When he lose one account, lose two accounts, fear will grab him. If fear grab him, you understand, he will come down to his normal senses and say, okay, this game, I rush this game. Arabian, I know I for stick to what Benv is saying. He's telling me I'm 4 years in the game and why am I still not? Even if I'm 10 years in the game, bro, man. Oh God, man. But next year, everything is just, my life is just slow and steady. That is just it. And I don't rush anything. No, not this time again. I don't rush anything. Keep way, guy. Keep way, guy. Kelly FX John. Kelly FX John, thank you, my guy. May just clear way for us. But he don't clear the way, man. Trust me, he don't clear the way. He don't clear the way. As he no one clear way, I clear am. He don't clear the way. Because I no want anybody that will come and mislead my people. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Never. Never. The opportunity that I did not get when I started forex trading. Okay, now I want to provide the opportunity. Now you are here trying to mislead the people that is following me for waiting. You know if it happen now. Let me see. Slow and steady win the race. 3 years in the game now. That's just it. Slow and steady win the race. You understand? Slow and steady, my bro. Slow and steady. That's just it. In slow and steady, 3 years in the game, you are approaching, man. He's just 2 years, and if care is not taken, the way that guy is talking, but if care is not taken, he will not reach 4 years in this game, and he will quit because the way he want to rush the team back is not like that. All of us want to rush it like that. That's why I lose $1,978 in a single night, and there is a proof. That's all. That's why I lost $1,978 in a single night, and there is a proof for that. There is a proof forever and ever. When I go even talk the story now, when I don't become something in this particular industry, that is when I'm going to like talk the story. I don't talk about this particular story. Share my WhatsApp number. People don't chat me. I don't share, send them the evidence. You understand? And if you need evidence, please comment down below. 2021 December 2021, when I start forex trading, I think I've become a millionaire already. You understand? I think I've become a millionaire already. Like the total amount in my account that particular day is $2,000. I lost I lost close to $30. I can't enter trade, see almost all the pay I enter trade with them. I don't know, I have a wrong approach to forex trading and I lose that amount. Mm. So can you imagine? And somebody will come here now, see taste of mystery, somebody that have experienced the game. I don lose over 20k with overconfidence. Can you see ba? Then somebody will still come mislead people again under my channel. Make im go open im own channel dey mislead people. You understand? Make im go open im own channel dey mislead people, not this one. This one is just slow and steady. You understand? Don't rush the game because I know what happens to me when I'm trying to rush the game. You understand? I know what exactly that happened to me when I'm trying to rush the game to make it very quick from the market. Let me see. Let me respond to the comment real quick so that we call it a day. Let me see. I can't tell you how many times I tried to rush it. I passed many Profem accounts, thought I was a genius, and I ended blowing all the money the market can quickly humble you. The market will humble you. You understand? That is the stage that guy is now that is making mouth. You understand? That's the stage that is making mouth. Make I check another comment. Even if you have a mentor, that doesn't mean you are gonna be profitable. Simple as ABCD. Your mentor will not even make you profitable, just that he will be directing you on what to do. You understand? He will be directing you on what to do. That one is even mentor that cares about his mentees. That one is mentors that care. That one is mentor that care about his mentees. So you understand? If not, only what they'll do, they'll employ somebody that just graduate from their this thing. so that the person will come and be teaching you guys how to do analysis, how to do this one and this one, the psychology behind the game, the real thing they will not tell you. You understand? The real thing they will not tell you. Those mentors sef, those mentor wey be say wey don experience the market sef will not even have chance to teach you. They will employ somebody, one new beginner, so that the beginner will come and be teaching you, because they know that there's nothing you will do again after you pay that money, and you think that yes, they know exactly what they are doing. What they are teaching you, you have already passed that level, but you have nothing to, you cannot complain. You cannot complain, no refund, you cannot complain. And at the end of the day, they will come and give you, and they will give you a certificate. Simple as that. Simple as that. Uh, are you are you a break and retest trader, bro? No, I trade my I'm not a break and retest trader. I take my trade from its resistance level or from its support level. When the market is on its support level, I wait for the market to form something like a W pattern, then wait for a bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame. Then I enter my trade. Simple as that. Simple as that. That is what I have been using since 2024. You understand? And this is ending of 2025. You get, so that's what I've been using. Taking my trade from support and from support to resistance to support. You understand? Using 15 minutes bullish engulfing ups, 15-minute bearish engulfing candle. That's it. Then let me see. For forex, anybody who has experience will tell you that it's not easy, because forex will break you and remold you again. I always I always people that this business, okay, I always tell people that this business is not easy, but it's simple. You know what you are doing. That's just it. You understand? Like, the business is not an easy business. You understand? It's not an easy journey. Oh. It's not an easy journey. See, it's not an easy journey. Just think of when you started hearing about Harvey Forex and Jeffrey Benson. I always use those two guys, because those are those are people that everybody look up to. You understand? I always use those two guys. When they are grinding, as of last 9 years, 8 years, 7 years, 6 years, 5 years, 4 years, who is hearing about them? Nobody is hearing about those guys. They are just grinding Kowe. When you started hearing about Habi and Jeff? Is it not from, I think, when me, Gongongo, I started hearing about them, and when they even blow, because not when I started, I know them. When I know them, they still they roll with all these, they are like, they never too guide that time, but they know exactly what they are doing, because they are eating money from affiliate marketing, they are eating money from courses, they are eating money from influencing, and they are eating money from their social media handles. They are eating money from almost all the businesses around this particular industry. You understand? So I know about them as of 2022, 2023. You understand? And that time that I know about them is that time they are doing this, all this consummate trading. And that time they are doing ambassador for consummate trading. And you know those guys, they make their money from consummate. You understand? They make the real money, they make it from consummate. Before they come give a statement, say they are not with consummate again. By then, consummate have consumed a lot of people. You understand? So is after that consummate profit that they skyrocket, that they are everywhere. You understand? So make I go down, make I go down. It's just a slow and steady business. You understand? Even if it will take you 80 years before people will know you, let it take you, but just slow and steady and follow your game. Slow and steady. You understand? Slow and steady and follow your game. I was with a pro forex trader, and he said, no matter how you made from no matter how you made from the market, you forever be a student to the market. God, man. That is why I tell you. You understand? I've said this thing for in the past. Like I've said this thing before. You cannot celebrate win. You understand? Until you withdraw that profit and use it to buy something physically. If that money still dey your broker, there is no way you can celebrate it. You understand? Because it's still not your own. Because your win now, you understand, your win today have nothing to do with your win tomorrow. You win today no mean say you are going to win tomorrow and next tomorrow. You win this week no mean say you are going to win next week. You understand? So before you celebrate anything in this game, you have to like withdraw that profit, gum, you understand? Buy one or two things like you are seeing with your eye, then you celebrate it. So this thing that your mentor tell, that the pro trader tell you, just hold it in your right hand. Don't use it, don't hold it with your right hand, with your left hand. Hold it with your left hand tight, because is a golden advice that is gives to you. You said I was with a pro forex trader and he said no matter how you made from the market, you forever be a student to the market. You forever be a student to the market, because whenever you want to press a buy or a sell, you must calculate, you must analyze, you must learn. You understand? And the market might even go against you. You still rethink, is there anything that I do wrong? You are forever a student to the market. Oh my God. That is a golden advice. So please hold it with your left hand. Golden advice. And don't ever forget that advice. And don't ever forget that mentor that told you that. Let me see. I don't spend more than what I say I want to spend. No, no vex, a lot of beginner traders think like this. The market is very quick to humble them. I'm telling you, very, very quick, man. Very, very quick. I learned my own lesson just recently, but I think it teach me he should ask Jesse Livamo auntie. He should ask Jesse Livamo and see. Man, no mind. He will be humble. That kind of person, they take time before the market go humble them. You understand? I just pray. I wish him all the best. You understand? But the way, I just pray. I wish him all the best. I wish him all the best. Eh, I don't know. So they don't know now. Say they don't know. Beginner trader think I don't know. That is arrogance. They very very see. They very arrogant, and arrogant keep a lot of traders. Let me just say, out of that 99% of traders that are not profitable, arrogant is arrogant that keep, let me just say, 90% of them unprofitable. Not that they cannot do it, but they are very arrogant that they think they can do anything by themselves, or they think they have arrived. Maybe they think maybe it's their village people that is doing them or something. You understand? Arrogant. I'm doing my arrogant. You understand? And that kind of person, very, very arrogant. And that's the only reason why he will learn the hard way, just as every other person. It's not only him. He needs to calm down and follow the due process. Now that make I no talk. That question was crazy, dude. Hey, I always tell people that learning forex isn't the issue, but being profitable and being disciplined to your strategy is the real issue. Simple. Festus miracle. Simple. You understand? Learning forex is not the issue. You understand? being disciplined to follow your trading strategy, you understand, then get to the profitability stage is the only issue. You understand, ba? I always tell people that learning forex isn't the issue, but being profitable and being disciplined to your strategy is the real issue. Discipline, you see that discipline that you put there, you have finished everything. You see that discipline, you have finished everything. Discipline is the one, like, is discipline that is controlling, let me just say, 90% of everything you are doing on the chart. Is discipline that is controlling 90% of everything you are doing on the chart. Because if you are not disciplined, you cannot stick to your plan, to your strategy. If you are not disciplined, you cannot stick to your risk management. If you are not disciplined, you cannot wait for your strategy to play out. If you are not disciplined, you will take an unnecessary trade. You will be like, discipline holds almost 90% of it too, of the game. You understand? Discipline hold 90%, almost 90% of the game. Man, let me see. Make I no talk too much today. We are still coming back tomorrow by 8 p.m. You can learn a lot. You can learn lot of candlestick pattern and lot of candle chart pattern, but that doesn't guarantee being profitable. Not at all. You understand? Not at all. You can even know all the languages. You understand? All the grammars on the chart. You understand? You can know all the grammars in the forex industry, but you are still not profitable. That doesn't guarantee you that you are going to be profitable. You understand? So you have to, like, know one or two things, you understand, in the chart, like, in the industry, like one small thing on the chart, then stick to that particular thing. You understand? When you stick to that particular thing, then keep mastering it, keep mastering, studying it till you know how it work. It's not all about learning all the languages and all the grammars on the chart. You understand? Stick to one particular pattern and know how it work, and that is the only thing. And it's very, very difficult, but with discipline you can stick to that and master it. It's not easy, but with discipline you can do it. That's just it. If you like, learn all the languages, learn all the grammars. I've been saying this thing since last year. Learn all the grammar. Is not going to make you profitable. The only thing that will make you profitable is for you to create one small space, you understand, on the charts. Create one thing on the charts. Look at one particular small movement and stick to it. You understand? Check how it work. Whenever that kind of things form, like, keep studying that particular thing, you understand, until you master it. Then that one will be your edge and your strategy. Whenever that thing played out, whenever you see that particular thing on the chart, wait for your strategy to play out and you know the direction of the market. Simple as that. Even if you don't know any candlestick name, but you know how it work, you will be profitable. Forget all these professors, you understand, with their language, with their big grammars. Forget them. You understand? Just stick to one particular thing that always happen, that you know that this thing always happen on the chart, and stick to that. You will be profitable. So I have less than, I even need to call off the live now. I need to end the live now so that I will see tomorrow. The guy's mentor must have given him a burst of lie that makes him think he has seen it all, but market has its own way to discipline. I'm telling you, like, the best friend mentor ever. Maybe that guy is still in that particular mentorship class. So he's still in that particular mentorship class, bro. Maybe he's still in that particular mentorship class. That's why. You understand the morale that person is giving him. You are going to be profitable. That's exactly what he's pushing him. But he will let the hard way. I just pray he discover himself very, very quick. So my people, See you guys. Please don't forget to like the video before you go. Then subscribe to the channel. Let me see a new subscriber, please and please and please. Let me see a new subscribers. Let me see a new subscriber. Let me see a new subscriber. Then we'll see tomorrow by 8 p.m. You understand? By 8 p.m. we'll see tomorrow, because tomorrow candlestick will close and we will know the direction of the market. So we are going to still do analysis, technical analysis tomorrow. Let's see how it's going to be. This is when we'll come on live video Sunday, Monday, Wednesday. We don't come on live on Tuesday, Wednesday, then Friday. We don't come on live on Thursday. You understand? Those are the 4 days that will come on live every blessed week. You get? So I love you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys. See you guys tomorrow. I salute you. Okay, thank you. Goodbye. Okay, thank you. Taste of mystery. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Please, as the market is going to open, please take it slow and steady. Please don't let anybody pressure you. Don't let anybody pressure you at all. Be very disciplined and take it slow and steady. You understand? Slow and steady is the name of the game. You understand? So thank you, and I see you tomorrow by 8 p.m. Please don't forget to like the video before you go. Then if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Help the channel grow. Share it to anybody you know that will like our content. Thank you. I still remain your guy, Benv. Salute you, man.